This video will show you how to create split screen in CapCut PC. Drag videos to your timeline. Set the opacity to around 50%. Then set the videos as needed for split screen. Return opacity to 100%. Click on the video above to go to the mask section, choose horizontal. Rotate this to 90 degrees and drag it to the middle. CapCut is going to snap right when you get to the middle. If that's what you wanted, you're done. If you want the transition to be smoother, set feather to 30. On the contrary, if you want to highlight the dividing line, go to the text and drag the default text above the video. Rewrite the text with several underscores. Change the color to whatever you want. I'll choose black. Go down to the plane rotation and set it the same as for the mask. In this case, it's 90 degrees. Now uncheck uniform scale and set the dividing line as you like the most. Now let's say you have an angle of 71 degrees. Just write the same degrees in plane rotation and your line will be parallel to the video split line. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.